Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat Pynshai Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
KNIPS Hotel Management Institute kabadan haga shnang nong misong Shillong haga kharpratrik ulber aja punrio kala ajing Pynshai yaki samla ki bapuli haga ni kashlem hikai shaphang kilat barki kabu bakila banyo yakatulop kababyang ladaki don yakajing angnut banlet Trei shakiri ki badan hadau ba yuram ya kajing Pynshai la ai shagi samla puli daw director ka ASPD uraju batka Trinisha Ghosh kabamni khmat yak International Business Executive.
Almost 1,80,000 is a huge amount. And why we prefer Europe? Because the visa you will get is a Schengen visa. The best part, it has 29 countries. Not exactly in the main city like Paris. Now you all will be thinking, why not Paris? Right? See, we work only with those hotels which provides free accommodation. Okay? Hotels in Paris, they don't provide free accommodation. So let's say if you talk about, I don't know how to give example of here, but it won't be a main city, it will be little outskirts. But all those 3, 4 and 5 stars are there. Lot of tourists go there, they visit, and this France has a population of around 6 million. I think 30 million? 30 million population, but they receive almost 10 crore of tourists every year. So imagine, they receive tourists more than their population. So it's a huge destination for tourism. So 3, 4 and 5 star hotel we work with. The departments that we have is kitchen, F&B service and housekeeping. Unfortunately, we don't have front office there. Because if front office, for front office, they need to have, like you all need to have French language expertise in that. But if you are applying for F&B service, housekeeping and like food and beverage, 670 euros per month. 670 euros means around 69,000 in Indian currency. 5 days a week you have to work there, not 6 days, 5 days a week. 2 days will be your off. Okay? And in those 5 days, you have to work around 12 hours per day. 2 days will be off. The best part, in your off days, you can actually go and travel to another countries. All are very nearby, connected by train. Right? You catch a train, you go to Spain, you go to Switzerland. These opportunities you won't have if you plan to go to another country. I mean, like decide to go for an internship in another country. Like if you choose Mauritius, if you students go there as a student, they come back as professional. So this is the benefit of going to France. And many of you, if you plan to go to France, you will come with an offer letter, I'm sure. Okay. All these internships are called cultural exchange program. You go there, you teach your culture, you learn their culture. Okay. Whenever Indian government signs a bilateral agreement with any government regarding internship, that simply means it's a cultural exchange program. Okay, you go there, you meet them, you learn their culture, experience their cuisines. You come back, you teach your cuisines, and let me give an example. I still remember there was one student from IIHM. Okay, you must have heard about that college. So he went for an internship in kitchen department, and he cooked some dishes like around kitchen, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? And it tasted so well that that hotel actually included that in their menu and put his name beside that. Right, so it's a big achievement for a student that I went to France, I cooked this meal, and now it's a part of the menu. That euros at that time, now his salary must be increased around 2200 or 2300 euros. Travel to 29 countries. Okay. One benefit of France, if you want to go to France in a hotel with your friends, let's say two girls wants to go together or two boys wants to go together, that placement is also possible. That is also we can do. Okay, you can actually do this internship with your friends. So this is the benefit of going to France. Okay. Now, the amount that you have to spend, see, all this benefit in this process, they will do all the documentations for you. The total amount that you have to invest, including your flight, visa, our fees and everything, is close to 3,50,000. In 3,50,000, you actually reach France and start working. Okay, which includes your everything, your flight ticket, train ticket, visa, our fees and everything. Our fees is 2,70,000, visa fees is around 15,000, and then your flight is around, let's say round trip if you book, it will cost you around 55,000. So total 3,50,000. But the best part, whatever amount you are investing, you are getting it back through the stipend. And this is why we call this program as it's a break-even program, no profit, no loss. Whatever amount you are investing, you are getting it back. But the experience that you are getting is priceless, right? So if your parents tell you that, we are already investing so much money for your education, we don't have money for you, you can go and tell them that you invest this money on me, I'll come back and return this money to you. Right? So that is a possibility. And if you get a work permit, then it's an added advantage for you all. Right? If you have any questions, please. Take out the bank statement and then your parents can withdraw that amount then and there. You don't have to keep that amount for 6 months. It's a one-time balance. So that is also there in the process. Apart from that, there is nothing. You have to come to Kolkata for the visa submission in VFS, and you don't have to actually face any interview. The best part of France internship, no interview happens. No sponsor interview, no hotel interviews, no visa interview. You just have to submit the documents. It's a document-based visa. Okay. So please ask questions.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.